Everyone, this is Amir Tsarfati. Finally, I made it home, and right now, northern Israel is under a massive drone attack. Massive drone attack. Everybody is running home right now, and I'm talking about all of northern Israel. I'll keep you posted on Telegram, but we are going to be in the bomb shelter most likely in a few minutes. But again, we're talking about massive drone attack from northeast and from the north, from Lebanon and Syria. This is it. It's begun. It started. And these are, I don't know to what extent. They talked about Tiberias and Beit Shean and Tzfat. They're talking about all of the northern border with Lebanon. This is the beginning of the war that I referred to I think a couple hours ago. I wrote on Telegram that we're expecting something big to come from the north. We saw it coming, and it is now coming. These are drones made in Iran. These are drones that have been delivered to the hands of the Iranian proxies in Lebanon and Syria. And for the first time, massive drone attack on Israel right now. We're under attack. Northern Israel is under attack right now. Now, I called all my family members to come back home immediately. And once they will tell us that even our place here in the Jezreel Valley has to run to the shelters, we will do so. But at the moment, Tiberias, Beit Shean, Tzfat, which tell me that that's coming from the Syrian border, as well as all of the Israeli settlements along the border with Lebanon, which means they're coming from Lebanon also. All the people are running to the bomb shelters right now. So, again, I don't think we hear anything about my town, but we called everybody's running in this town back to the house. And I literally entered the house 2 hours ago. And kind of knew that something big is coming. A few minutes after I left the airport, there was already a barrage of rockets from Gaza on the airport area. But now we're talking about northern Israel, and I'm talking about everything from the Lebanese and the Syrian border towards us. So, massive coordinated drone attack on Israel right now. I'll update you on Telegram. Again, that's the only way I can do so. But just so you know, this is the moment, probably the toughest since 1948. And again, if you follow me on Telegram, you understand that. Massive coordinated drone attack is happening right now on northern Israel. Add to that all the barrages for rockets from Gaza. And I think that the USS Gerald Ford might have to become very active very soon. All right, I'll keep you posted. Keep praying for Israel. Again, for those of you who just joined us, there is a massive drone attack from Lebanon and from Syria. These are the Iranian proxies. Iran gave them the green light, and they are now performing that which they were created for. I mean, that's exactly why they are there. They've been practicing, they've been working on it, they've been training for it, and now it's the time. So, again, I will keep you posted on Telegram. I'm super tired. I mean, I haven't slept for almost 5 days now, and I was in bed thinking that I might sleep, for a few hours. But again, this is big news. massive drone attack on northern Israel, and I'll keep you posted very soon. Just a second, I heard a boom. אתה רואה משהו?
לא, אבל זה היה קרוב. היה בום.
נכון, היה?
איפה הם שיחזרו?
All right, just a second. Nearby. Okay. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. All right. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.